Hi, welcome to Handa Ka Funda, and today we are going to solve this Parajumble. Now let's look at sentence number 1. Living things, animals and plants typically exhibit correlational structure. Now by the language of it, it appears that this could be a very good opening sentence, and I'm not even negating the possibility of it being an opening sentence. But let me first go through the remaining 3 sentences and then I'll make a decision. Sentence number 2. Adaptive behavior depends on cognitive economy, treating objects as equivalent. Now I am very much confident that 2 is going to be my opening sentence, and I have reasons to believe that. First of all, it tells us what is this paragraph is going to be about. It tells us the topic of paragraph, which is adaptive behavior. More importantly, it tells us that adaptive behavior depends on certain factors, that is cognitive economy, but it does not completely explain it, right? Now, this is a very good feature of an opening sentence. It gives you the topic of discussion. It tells you what is the discussion going to be about, but it does not reveal all the details, right? It kind of kicks open the paragraph for you. So 2 is a very good opening sentence. Sentence number 3. The information we receive from our senses from the world typically has structure and order and is not arbitrary. Now, if you look carefully, if the key takeaway from this sentence is it mentions structure, and sentence number 1 also mentions structure. So there has to be some relation between 3 and 1. Again, it is a heated trial. I can be wrong, but in the first read, it appears to be that 1 and 3 has some relation. Let's go further. 4. To categorize an object means to consider it equivalent to other things in that category and different along some salient dimension from things that are not. A very good and a very educated guess is that 4 will follow 2. The reason being 2 tells us something about cognitive economy, which is treating objects as equivalent. Sentence number 4 kind of elaborates on this element, that is treating objects as equivalent. So 4 can follow 2. Sentence number 1 and 3. Now I don't know which sentence will come before, whether it is going to be 3-1 or 1-3. Let's read sentence number 3. The information we receive from our senses from the world typically has structure and order and is not arbitrary. Now sentence number 3 introduces a new variable, structure, whereas sentence number 1 kind of gives an example of a type of structure. Living things, animals and plants typically exhibit correlational structure. So it is an example of structure. So 3 will come before, and the sentence which cites an example of 3 will come post 3. So 2, 4, 3, 1 is my correct answer.
Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of future videos.